Many people are very confused nowadays because they are consuming a lot of information from the internet. Have you seen like these kind of people? Absolutely yes. Like from the YouTube, from the Instagram, from the Facebook, or some other platforms you can also imagine here. Recently, I had a small talk one of my subscriber, and he asked related to the degree, and is it really matter degree in the career, and what is the use of degree, because I have a knowledge, so can I apply in a company, like this kind of question. I just want to ask you one question. Just tell me, boys and girls, why are you studying right now? What is the purpose of your education? Just tell me. In other words, is it really matter your degree? What is your answer? Many people will say no, degree is not important. And some people will say yes, degree is important. And some people will say knowledge is always superior than degree. Degree doesn't matter. But my answer, absolutely yes. Just hold on. Why I'm saying that yes? What is the reason? Okay. Just imagine that you do not have a degree. You do not have enough degree. So can you say that you can apply in every company? Absolutely no. Why? What is the reason behind of it? Because company will not consider you without degree, and maximum company will not consider you like that. If you do not have a degree, you can come and join my company. But less number of company also there, they will consider you with degree and without degree, but maximum number of company will not consider you without degree. They think like that you should have a degree, you must have a degree, right? So that's why degree is important. So what is the use of degree? Degree is just equal to the entry card, or you can say in other word, like you really want to watch a movie, so you should have a ticket, you should have a movie ticket, otherwise you cannot enter inside the movie hall. If you have a good desire also, you're really eager about to watch a movie, but you cannot able to watch because you do not have a movie ticket. So similarly, if you have a degree, so you can able to apply in every company, right? After that, when you crack the interview, nobody cares about your degree. Degree is not important inside the company, but if you are outside the company, so you must have a degree, because of you have a something which you can display in front of the interviewer, so that company will evaluate you based upon your degree, right? What is the meaning of education? Education will provide you the right way, and education actually train your mind so that you can easily able to learn new skills. That's the basic purpose of education. Education is just like a gym, you train your muscles, right? So similarly, you train your brain muscles, so you have a lot of capability, you have a strong muscle, so that you can easily able to learn new things, new technology very easily. You can able to handle hurdles, difficulties very easily. That is the meaning of education. So degree will help you and provide you some kind of chance and opportunity, but after that you have to showcase your knowledge, because knowledge is always on the top.